central Franklin County, southwestern St. Charles County, northeastern Warren.
11 p.m. At 10:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marthasville, 6 miles east of
Haven, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Washington, New Haven, Marthasville, Eastbrook, New Ely, Augusta, Denville, Trelord, Forestal, and Holstein. Seek shelter inside a well-built away from windows.
The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail.